Okay, so I've gathered my tools of the trade of fixing stuff. I got this bag of screws. I think I've got some in here that's actually fit up there. I got, of course, my Gorilla Tape. Everybody needs one of these. It's a multi-tool and my needle nose. And we'll get over here and start working on this baby and get her fixed. That's what I'm talking about. I found some more holes too. I'll be fixing those. I'll probably do that first. Okay, yeah, we're about done with this here. So I've got everything fixed, but there is an issue. You see this right here? How this is on the bottom? We're on the top. See this one? Yeah. This contraption, this thing is broke. See? So I can't get it to turn right or to fix right. That's going to be an issue for the rest of the tent's life. But in all actuality, it works well. I can just stick a nail in there and it'll stay. This is minor. It's not really anything that... Oh, it's not anything that really is concerning to me. I got everything else straightened up. And see, here's some of the part right here. The plastic that broke off of it. So that's okay. It is what it is. But we got it all dried out. Cleared out. I'm going to spray. Let's go inside. See, I got... Put some tape down there. Got that taped up. Of course, we already talked about that. Got all this taped up. What I'm going to do in here now is I'm going to spray in here. I'm going to spray for mosquitoes, of course. For whatever reason, mosquitoes love to get inside tents. I have no earthly idea why. Ooh. I love to walk in the grass barefooted. It's the nicest fucking thing. I tell you what, y'all. Never say never. You can't ever tell what's going to happen from one day to the next. You know, you can make plans for something and something come along and totally change it. Or you can have something for such a long time, you get an emotional attachment to it, but it can't really do too much for you. But I got my tent fixed. These are things that I thought about today while I was working on this tent. I think that it is what it is, you know? And that's really about it. I got the damn thing fixed. I fucking did it. I didn't need no fucking help. Very rarely do I need help. But I do like walking in the grass. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down. And I'm going to put it back in its bag after I spray it. And keep it put up until I get ready to head over to Nunez. Or better, who knows what might happen. Can't ever tell. Like I said, we can make plans, but God's has his own way of doing things. And I'm okay with that. Because what I learned today is that I learned and I reminded myself that I can do anything I want to motherfucking do when I want to do it if I put my mind to it. Now, that don't mean going out and breaking fucking laws and just, you know, just saying, you know, screw everything. I do what I want to do because I'm spoiled and I get my way all the time. Not the Barbie doll Ken shit. I'm talking about putting your mind to something and doing it and finishing it. Completing it. A job well done. I appreciate y'all who called and gave me support and texted me and gave me support. And y'all who, you know, made comments of support and encouragement. Y'all are the best. You know, that's what I love about this community. Is that we can come together despite our differences. But anyway, here we go. Gonna break her down. Woo! All in a day's work, baby. All in a day's work. Got her done. Thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for your encouragement in this endeavor. We did it!